Yo, there's a dog barking outside. Doctor Stone season finale. Well, it's the last two episodes, so episode before the season finale, then the season finale. You guys know the drill. If you are watching along on Patreon, thank you for becoming a Patreon subscriber, and being one. We can count how many times I say in the very beginning of the intros. Okay. I am about to. I don't know what I was gonna say because I tricked myself. Oh gosh. Okay. That's another one. Check links in the description below if you guys want to become a Patreon supporter. And there is the Discord. Make sure you guys join the Discord because I'm really active in there, and everyone else is active in there too. And it's a fun community, and you guys are awesome. So without further ado, if you guys haven't pulled up the episode, please do so and watch along now because the timer begins in 3, 2, 1, play. The mouse wasn't where I thought it was. Also, pick number 3, my lord. If you guys get that reference, you already know. Shrek is love, Shrek is life. You'll burn your eyes out. Dude, Gino is great. Slightly heavy rocks. I see them being... Yeah. Yep, just hit him with it. They just called him old. Three months. It's my guess. 3. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Already? No way. I guess next episode's gonna be the creation of it. So it'll like end the season on the like, oh, we finally got them. That's my prediction. Also, how is everybody holding up during allergy season? Also at the same time as Corona season. Oh, gosh. I was playing Black Clover Phantom Knights before this, and the game's fun. I wonder when we're gonna see them. Maybe next episode. Maybe next episode something happens to them, and then the season ends on a cliffhanger. That's my prediction. End of next episode, they make the cell phones. Then we go to the credit scene, and then the post-credit scene is something happening to them. That's my prediction. All right. Wave of science. Heat resistance power rankings. Is that what they're supposed to be doing? Oh, God. Barely. Yeah, for real. Oh my God. No, just a little bit. It's a good moment. I love how he just plays it off too. Yeah, I can do illusions, not chemistry. What are you? I like how it's just dancing. It reminds me of Reptar. But how are you gonna do that? Yeah, exactly. You. 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 Yep, come on, get to it. Dude, let's go, Chrome. Friends. Friendship. He looks like Ness. Or Lucas. Yeah, but remember how ripped this dude is, so... Us. Well, everyone here. The power of friendship. It don't matter, come on. Oh, man. What's up with buff old dudes in anime? That's the real question. See? My point exactly. Yeah, you're coming over. You're coming with me. Oh yeah, he knows. Come on, he was in school too. Okay, yeah, real simple. Uh-huh. Is That's fair. Even Chrome. Quit showing off. Yeah, you gotta get it to produce a lot. Through the glass? Interesting. It's not gonna work. Hmm. I was about to say the telescope. Oh, never mind. The water wheel. Yeah, look at them. There you go. Oh God. Yeah, I was about to say, she would definitely hit him. I like how he still has the bumps. All. Oh, I was gonna say all of them. Somebody's spying on them. Still. Oh. Watch him just be like, no, all you have to do is this. Yeah, he's. Well, I guess it worked, right? It gets the job done. All right. Yeah, all of them. There you go. Reptar. Oh, dude, I used to have a Rugrats game, and you got to like destroy the city as Reptar. It's pretty fun. That's cool, man. Oh, the series is great. You know when this OST kicks off, it's about to get real fun. Oh, nothing this old man can't do. Easy. Oh. Yeah, right? Dude, he's about to get this. He's about to get it. He knows exactly how to get to him. He knows how to fire him up. Look at this. Because he's just saying it. Yeah. Oh, look at that. He saw right through it. Gross. Double gross. Actually, I don't know what he's talking about. Oh, high five. Ah, that's cool. He's just gonna do it for the cinematics, of course. What are you up to? What are you? Yeah. What are you up to? What's she noticing? Hmm. Oh, everyone wants high fives now. Okay. Hmm. This OST is so good. Dude, you can't help. Oh man, this series, it's just fun. He's just about to get worked to death. As I was saying that, he literally just said, "I'm gonna work you to death." But don't we need him in the plastics team or no? Heat it to get some liquid. Heat that again and heat that again. Heating stuff up. Yeah, that's true. Especially in Orgo. Oh god. Similar to formaldehyde, I'm assuming. Yeah, that stuff stinks. Oh no. They need gloves. You know, it's like, I'm about to dip. Nope, this is part of your training. Strength training. Oh, oh, he's not wrong. I'm telling you, dude, he is my favorite character, hands down. Oh, man. Excuse me? That's cool. Dude, that's cool. Oh, that's awesome. They got him inside all the houses. That's technology. That's why. You got to implement it to reach your goal, even if your goal isn't related to what you're implementing. I hope he said that out loud. That would have been kind of dope. You're useful after all. Come on. Oh my god. What? I... My question is, why the heck did he break out in song like that? Yeah. Oh, is it? What is it? Kick seaweed in hot water. Oh, shush, Siri. It turns sound into electricity. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, is the episode already done? Also, they're playing the opening. Look, the first opening wasn't that good. Oh, the whole episode still has like 4 minutes left, so. Oh, I see what they're doing. There's a very common anime theme that you play the first opening at the peak of the arc. Run! It's gonna get to the point where everyone starts doing the little batteries too. Look at that. Well, how big are they gonna... Yeah, I was about to say, how big are they doing the microphones? Delivering voices... Yeah, but it's not gonna look like that. Come on. Also, they did an iPhone. Lame. Look, even he's excited about it. And everyone gets electrocuted. Oh, look at his army. Senku's phone. God, it looks like they typed that. Do 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 do. God, we had 4 songs this episode. Look at that. All right, let's see. Oh, Crunchyroll Spring 2020 lineup is here. While the outro plays, we can check that out. All right, Tower of God. Oh, speaking of which, you guys can help me choose what to react to while I'm reading this. Tower of God, Food Wars. I'm excited for that one. My Life is Villainous. I actually thought that was kind of good looking. The Eighth Son. Are you kidding me? Oh, so is that an isekai? One Piece. I'm a manga reader, obviously. Woodpecker Detective's Office. So that's it. Oh, Idolish 7. Sword Art Online. Food Wars. Essence of a Bookworm Part 2. More to come, more to come, more to come, more to come. Huh. Interesting. But I guess Food Wars is back, so that's cool. Alright. The final episode, episode 24. If you guys have not pulled up episode 24, please do so now, because the timer begins in 3, 2, 1, play. Nice. I should do a watch along where we can all watch together. Black Clover. Okay, so it says Tower of God and more coming to Crunchyroll, as well as returning favorites like Black Clover. You guys already know I'm gonna watch my Black Clover, so why don't I have enough mouse? What the heck? Pulled my rope. My next life as a villainess. Yeah, we already established that one. More to come. Yeah, there's a lot that's more to come. Okay, continuing. One Piece, Black Clover, the basketball one. That's not what I thought. Boruto, Railgun, certain scientific railgun. Well, that's all interesting. Huh. I don't know. I mean, we're obviously going to keep watching Black Clover. We're definitely going to do Food Wars. That's going to be fun. I didn't see what days this Food Wars comes out on. That was Earth. Guns. That was a joke. Birds were like, yo, what the heck was that? Did he not think of that? Oh my god. They need portable ones, don't they? So check this out. This is about to be cool. I'm sure she heard that. Come on, let's be honest. Oh my god, look at him. Come on. Dude. Oh my god, do it. Come on, do it. It's not gonna work out the way he wants it to. The other side, it's not gonna be on the other side. Can she hear it? How does she know what? How does she know what a speaker is? How do you know what a speaker is? That's what I'm saying. What? God, she knows all 100 in order. Oh. Music. So, man. He has something with him, doesn't he? He's gonna lift it up. Dude, his dad's like, hey, I'm still smarter than you. I raised you. There's something inside of it. So all of them are time capsules. Oh god. So, other dude. Oh, her. Dang it. I thought it was gonna be Kinro. Hmm. It's a CD. Nope. Yep. Record. Holy crap. How did they manage to do that? Dude, his dad's a G. That one hit. Oh, that was nice. Very well written. Oh, and then look, they have a record playing. Or spinning at least. How do they manage to do that? That's what I want to know. God. Hmm. Interesting. That's funny. He's just like, ooh. I told you, his dad's a G. So it's essentially like a message in a bottle. I love the OST. I know I said it like 7 times already. Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah, come back here, yo. Dude. Ah. That's pretty cool. He's hurt, man. He's hurt. Stop it, dang it. Yeah, that guy said nobody asked me. Ah. Will it cut into the glass though? Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Do they have a diamond? Hmm. I mean, at this point, let's be honest. It gets in the way of me trying to meet other people. Oh my goodness. What if it was in the same exact spot too? Here we go. Let's hear it. Here we go. He's like, this is something I can do. That's crazy. Senku. Yeah, look at that. He knew. Wow. Oh. I was about to say. I like how he even has a boom, like a boom mic too. She's gonna sing. That's good. Well, I'm okay if she didn't sing. I want more, I want more story progression. I like how they're all musically talented as well. It's like, oh man, they're astronauts and they can play music. I mean, I'm not gonna say I don't have goosebumps or anything, but look at that. That's the scene from the opening that we needed. That's what we call music. Man, it's so good. That was good. Good stuff. See, even Senku's like, man, this stuff's hitting. I forgot about that one. Good series. So when does season 2 come out? It's the question. That's good. That's some good stuff. Your vocabulary. Yeah, I know, right? Everything. Switch and then Goku. Look at that. That was funny. That's a good finale. So imagine that they go. Oh, dude! Each, each arc they go to like a different, place. That'll be cool. It's good stuff, man. I told you. Hmm. Look at that. Oh, come on. Make this a kingdom of science. Yep. Still, speaking of Rugrats, that reminds me of the Rugrats flag. There we go. The question is, yeah, here we go. Yeah. But remember, keep an eye out. Exactly. She's iffy though. Next season. That's the cool thing about having a true good villain. You know, you can understand his morals and why he wants to fight what he's fighting for, and in his mind, he truly believes he's right. Huh, the Sukasa Empire and the Stone Wars? Star Wars influence, maybe? That was good stuff. Good episode. What is this? Season 2 confirmed. I'd be surprised if it wasn't. Yeah, this whole series is definitely. I'd probably put it in my top for sure. I like what the show creators did with the title. You thought it was about a cell phone, but it was voices from even farther than that. Voices over infinite distance. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Let's see. These characters feel like my friends, dude. Oh yeah. Doesn't one of the astronaut look like pink clothed girl in the tree eating cotton candy? Yep. Oh, yeah, maybe she's from the village but ran away, or it's all a coincidence. That's true. You gotta see if she has any cracks on her face. Season 2 will come. Season 2 will be early July. June, February, March, April, May, June, July. So we still have summer. The summer stuff, which isn't bad. LOL. Somebody just replied LOL. What? When is season 2? Good stuff. Next episode. No, I'm kidding. So yeah, that was good. Good season finale. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm glad I was able to pick this back up and go from there. So yeah, this will be up Friday as always, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys want me to react to next, and we'll make a vote out of it. I saw a bird in the reflection, so there's a massive bird. Alright, bye everyone.